400. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, ready? Okay, guys. So I believe that all of you guys got the yeet paper already, right? Do you have it? Yeah, which is the latest paper that you have it. Yeah, can you please take it out? Thank you so much. Do you guys bring along the SBP Selangor paper today with you? SBP Selangor? Huh? Hey, good boy. I thought you have it. Huh?
Sure, what paper? Huh?
No, I thought I gave it to you on Monday. That's on Monday, right? Yeah. Oh, you didn't come on Monday also? Ah. Bad boy. Um, yeah. What the shit? So sus, this guys. Okay, come. Okay. 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 Okay, guys. So today I will discuss a few questions with you guys, and then I need you guys to do a few questions on the spot as well. Okay? Why? Guys, today I want to ensure that you guys are very good in 3 chapters. What are the 3 chapters? Catholic students, you guys finished chapter paper 1. Meaning to say you guys lack of the you haven't done for the paper 2, right? Okay. So let me give you the 5 questions, which is 50 marks in the paper 2 first. Okay. So, let's see. Jing Ting, Chin Chin, Zhe Lin, camera. Okay. So, ready? Let's go. So guys, now, if you are learning for the paper 2, okay, especially for the CHS students, you guys still got one more paper, which is paper 2, and the rest of the students, you got paper 1 and paper 2. Bear in mind one thing, paper 1, there will be no chapter 9 and also chapter 10 questions. Again, pay attention. So students, yeah. Okay. Yep. Sorry. Okay. So guys, now let's talk about the paper 1 and paper 2 first. So first of all, students, paper 1, the questions you will have will be from chapter 1 all the way to the chapter 8. Okay. There will be no chapter 9 and also the chapter 10 questions tak ada punya. Okay. Perhaps for paper 1, paper 2, there will be chapter 9 and also the chapter 10 questions. Each of the chapter over here will be 10 marks each. Yeah. So guys, bear in mind, paper 1, you have 80 marks, and then paper 2, you have 100 marks. So guys, these 20 marks from this paper 2 is very, very easy to score. Yep. So now, after that, students, another 10 marks questions that will be come out in this exam 100%. Based on what I see, the Catholic students, you guys do not have the line of best speed questions, correct enough? Yeah? Do you guys have line of best speed question in the paper 1? Drawing the line. So your coming paper 2, you will see the drawing of the line of best speed. What chapter is this, everyone? This is chapter 6. Okay, this is chapter 6, not chapter 7. Okay, and guys, this line of best speed, chapter 6, right, is how many marks over here? Is about 10 marks. And then students, you need to know how to do the reducing, especially for log, and also and also the log E, which is the E, right? Okay, and after that, log ln, okay, log ln is also log power E. And another one will be the third question. You must know how to do this for the reduce. Okay, this is another 10 marks questions. Okay, other than that, students, you still got about few more. The one vector. I found that students are very well trained for the vectors questions already, especially for the compare question. Okay, so for the paper 2, because I see your paper 1 do not have the compare question. So I believe your paper 2, you may have compare question, or you may also have the lambda question. Lambda question is something to do with what? Is something to do with collinear or parallel. Okay, or Catholic students, you guys may have faced something like this, which is you have to do something with the physics. No worries. If it is physics, they will only ask for resultant. And please bear in mind, physics student, resultant, what does it mean? Plus. Please bear in mind one thing. Okay, if it is resultant, means it is plus. Okay, so this will be another 10 marks as well. And lastly, one more thing, guys, you will see geometry question, which is also another 10 marks questions. What will they ask you guys? They will ask you guys about the line segment. They will also ask you guys about perpendicular. Okay, then after that, they may also ask you guys about the area. And lastly, they may also ask you guys about locus. Yeah, so guys, these 5 chapters never miss in the exam. And what I can guarantee to all of you, everyone, not only for Catholic, but all the school, ladies and gentlemen, you will see these questions in bahagian B, mostly. Yeah, that's why the question is about 9 to 10 marks question. Guys, these 100, you must ensure that you get these 50 marks over there. The rest of the chapters will be function, chapter 2, completing the square, all these kind of things. Yeah, so everyone. No, I teach until halfway this, then pat his hat. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so now, so ladies and gentlemen, for those who are having paper 1 and paper 2 today, I want to ensure all of you, because I think it's been a while, you guys do MS, right? What does it mean? Okay, Chris did MS, but also you done the physics in the class as well. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, now for the MS over here, these are the 5 chapters. So today I want to ensure you guys are very fine with the chapter 9, 10, and also the drawing as well. Because I found that a lot of students, right, you do practice, yep, you will do. But then the problem is you do not do the drawings because you are lazy of drawing the stuff, right? That's true. Oh, very true, right? Okay. You guys, rather than do the calculation instead of the drawing stuff one. You know what? You will be my line. Oh my god. Okay, so forget about what I said. Okay, so now after that, before we move on to the chapter 9 and 10 questions, okay, which you guys need to do it on the spot, I want to teach you guys something about chapter 4 first. Ready? Let's go. Students, chapter 4, what are the questions that they may ask? Oh yeah, one more. Catholic students, your paper 2, I believe that chapter 3 will have one question, which is something to do with the square, the one with quadratic one. Yeah, I believe they will ask that. Okay? Huh? You play, you bro? Oh my god. Okay, now student. Oh, you want to take picture? You know what? I recorded the class. Yeah? Okay, now let's see. Hi, Babin. Yep, you are quite late. Okay, so but anyway, now, oh guys, sorry. Before I move on to these questions, right? I need to discuss with you guys on one thing first, because last week I canceled the class because I really cannot. When I woke up, the first thing I feel is feeling cold. Without opening, I switch on the aircon. I feel cold like hell. Okay, and after that, my throat is like blood, and I thought that I got influenza A, and luckily I'm not. I'm just lack of water. Meaning to say I'm too dry. Shut up. Okay. Yeah, because I keep on teaching, and then after that I stay until night, so I didn't drink enough water. Oh. Okay, so students, now I need to give you guys the replacement. Okay, and guys, my replacement, right? I would like to ask all of you who don't have the notes. Can you raise up the hand? Oh, everyone got already. No. What I just gave you just now. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, never mind. You pass it to me first. Okay. So next. Okay. Okay. So now, guys. So where am I already? Yeah, replacement. So students because I am giving class on Deepavali. Yeah, which is this Monday. So guys, I would like to have this replacement class with you guys on this coming Monday, which is the combined with the Monday class students as well, because Monday you guys have class as well for MS, but no mathematics stuff because I already given you guys the class already. So maths don't have class, but we have MS on this Monday. Okay. And what is the time, students? I did not change the time. The time is 6:15 to 7:45 p.m. Yeah. Okay. Wait a second. So because this 20th is public holiday, so our center usually do not give class on the public holiday. Yeah, it's our only off day. But because you guys are having exam on the third, is it? Yeah, third. So I want to help you guys as much as I can. So I do not want to cancel this class. Yeah. So at the same time, do you guys have any exam on 21st? No, right? So I think 20th is a good time for us to recall back whatever I have taught you guys. Because if you keep on not doing MS, right, I believe that if you only study the week before, GG already one. 100% GG. Yeah. Okay. So that's why, student, I think this is the best time. So the time will be 6:15 to 7:45 lah. Yeah. This is the only class I teach on Deepavali. Okay. You guys better come. Guys, I just wonder if this Monday class is you guys don't have school, right? No, wait a second. Do you guys celebrate this? Deepavali, do you guys celebrate? You wear sarong? You wear sari come? Never mind, you come. I make you become. Yeah. So online students, can you guys make it for this class? The home, Bervin, Carson, Malor, Lin, Jingting, Chloe, Sining, Chin. Yeah. But then maybe I'm not attractive enough.
Yeah. I'm coming.
Okay, so students, so we need to say the replacement, we put it on Monday lah, 6:15 to 7:45. Yeah. Okay. So Kaiser, you okay with this? Can Okay, nice. Woo, that is smooth. Okay, I'll post into the group in a bit. Okay. Yeah, should be fine. Jingting, you say no as in you cannot make it or what? Jingting. Are you okay to make it for this class? Huh? You cannot make it like Jingting, because okay. If that's the case, Jingting, can I record the class for you, Jingting? And then I'll send it to you right after the class. Is that okay? Can okay, cool. So only Jingting cannot, so the rest of the students okay, right? Okay. So now, student, okay, back to this part over here, student. Now, chapter 4. So, guys, Form 4, chapter 4, what you guys learned will be the first one is search. So for the search questions, what do they love to ask? They love to ask something to do with rationalize, which is these questions A. What is the meaning of rationalize, students? Yes, your 下面, which is the bottom part, do not have cert. No cert at 下面, no roof, no. Okay, so your rationalize meaning to say your 下面 no, okay, no certs. Yeah, okay. Then second thing, students, what do they love to ask? Indices lah, yeah. Okay, indices questions will be something like the B questions. And lastly is also the logarithm and also the ln question. Okay, so now, students, let's have a look at the A. Okay, so for these A question students, now, how do I cancel off these things? Very simple. Every time when think about rationalize, you have to use this concept. A plus B, A minus B equals to A squared minus B squared. Okay, so if you want to make these disappear, you have to multiply 5 plus 5. Then up and down need to multiply the same thing so that up and down is balanced. Won't be one big, one small. Okay, up and down, big, small, very. Okay, so 5 bracket, 5 plus 5 over. So this one, student, you can write directly 5 whole thing square minus 5 the whole thing square. Okay, so you will get 5 plus 25 over 5 minus 25. So your final answer, 5 plus 25 over negative 20. Settle. Any question? What is the question? Huh? But you need to multiply this one. You see, okay, if this is minus, this one must be plus. Okay, so if you multiply 1 minus 1 plus for these things, right? What happened is the 5, this is the concept, will become A squared minus B squared. You know this, right? Yeah, so that's why your 5 square. So you cancel, become 5 already. Yeah, and 5 squared become 25. Are you okay? Yeah, then you multiply this one and you will get this. Okay, okay, so students, now, what is wrong with my answer? Guys, because this is 5, this is 25, this is 20. So, yes, you can suck out the 5 out. So you get 5 plus 5 over, guys, 20 I can also write as, okay, so 20, ladies and gentlemen, you can actually simplify. The 5 and 20, you can actually cancel. So you get 5 plus 5 over negative 4. Settle. Any question? Very good. Guys, I haven't done yet. Students, can I put negative 4 at the bottom? Cannot. Your down there cannot be negative. Your down there cannot be negative. Okay, cannot. It must be positive. So students, you must multiply negative 4 up and down. So your final answer is negative square root 5 minus 5 over 4. This is your final answer. Boys, come on. Okay, so students, any questions or not? No, huh? Okay, good. Okay, so students, have a look at the B. Let's go. So, for the B questions, everyone, let's start from here. Okay, 4 2x plus y equals to 7 plus 16 power x. Okay, guys. Whatever they give it to you over here, they are 2 and 2. So, boys, listen please. So, what do you need to do, everyone? You change everything become 2 first. So, your 4 become 2 square. Your 16 become 2 to the power of 4. Okay? The rest you just copy paste. 2x plus y equals to 7 plus bracket power x. Okay, then you open bracket, you get 2 4x plus 2y equals to 7 plus 2 4x. Okay, guys, can you please tell me what should I do next? Very simple, right? First of all, student, plus become separated, become times. So 2 4x times 2 2y equals to 7 plus 2 4x. Okay, second student, you see, the question gives you 2 4x is r. So now you can change everything regarding to 2 4x become r. Everything become r. Okay, next. Now, guys, how about 2 2y? They give us 2y only. 2 2y is not x, but 2y is x. You cannot change this one become s directly, right? But we know, so this 2 cubed times 2, is it equals to 2 squared times 3? Are they the same? Yes. So students, you can actually write this as 2y bracket square. Do you understand, everyone? Yeah, equal to 7 plus r. So lastly, students, your 2y, you can now change it become the rest, just copy paste. So rs square equals to 7 plus r. What I need is the r alone. Move this to the left. You suck out the r. And then you move the s squared minus 1 to the right. And that's your final answer. Settle. Okay, so this is the kind of rationalize and also the indices question. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen? No, huh? Okay, next. Okay, students. Now, then 5 and 6 is form 5 questions, so I don't want you guys to do the form 5 question. I take it off already. Guys, this is the latest maths past year question, and it is a 2025 past year question. Yeah, you will be studying later. Okay, so today, now, okay, guys, I want you guys to have a look at the paper 2 right now. Okay, student, paper 2 question. I want you to try the first question, which is number 3. And number 8. Number 3, the only way is substitution. Oh, they ask you using elimination. Well, you need to use elimination. Okay, anyway, guys, for this one, you use substitution. Later, I teach you how to use elimination. $15 of student, not more than 15. Start now. Yeah, thank you. Come on, guys. Boys. You got answers already? Pass. Hey boys, come on, control yourself, please. Yeah. Yeah, bro. All of them become 4PQ. Yeah, and you minus plus. Okay, finish. Go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, have a look at the question number 3. Okay, everyone, come have a look at this question, because I found that a lot of students, you already forget something in this chapter. Number 1, guys, highlight the word 3 significant figure for this question. Okay, students, when you see the word 3 significant figure for this question, you need to use one formula. We call this as quadratic formula. What is this quadratic formula, student? You need to write x equals to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over the 2a. You need to answer by using this. No negotiation, is a must. Do you understand? So for those students, you did not use this and you get the answers directly from the calculator, yes, your answer is correct. But I believe from these 5 marks, you may only get about 2. Because you are not following the instruction. Got it? Okay, right? So now, I teach you guys both ways. One is substitution and another one is elimination. Let's have a look. Okay, substitutions is like this. So you have to name it number 1 and number 2. So you write lah. Okay, from the first one. So you change P is equal to 2 plus Q, and this is the third equation. Then you need to write sub 3 into 2. Okay, so you will have 2 plus Q, the whole thing square, plus 4, and the P become 2 plus Q times Q equals to 8. Okay, open bracket please, guys. This one is the whole thing square. Okay, so after you open bracket already, okay, then you will get then you will get 5P square minus 8P minus 8 equal to 0. Open bracket, I think everyone is fine, right? Yeah. Okay. Then after that, what you need to do next, student? Listen. You need to write A equals to 5. So 这个就是什么来的啦? Okay. Then B is equals to negative 8 and C equals to negative 8. Then you stop inside. P equals to negative B plus minus B square minus 4AC over the 2A. Okay? Guys, after you write down like that, then you can press the calculator and give the answer for the P. Do you understand what I mean? It will be great if you can write down everything properly as well, which is you complete the whole thing and then you split into 2, right? That's what you meant. But if you are using these calculators, students, everything is already inside there, isn't it? For the plus minus. So you can just write down P is equals to 8 plus square root something over 10. Okay, so let's see, 64 minus 4 times 5 times negative 8. Okay, 224. Or 8 minus square root 224 over 10. Sorry. Then you write your answer in decimal places, which is 2.30 and also negative 0.697. Yep, it will be better if you write this step for it as well. Okay, after that you write like sub P equals to 2.30 into any equation you like lah. Okay, so you can sub into the first. Okay, for me, guys, where do you sub in? The third one, very good. Nice. So you sum into the third one. So you have 2.30 equals to 2 plus Q. So from here, you find the Q, which is equals to 0.3. Okay, then after that, you sub in the P equals to negative 0.697 inside, then you will find your Q is equals to negative 2.697. Okay, this is the normal way, which is the substitution. Online student, any question or not? So bear in mind, guys, when they ask for 3 significant figures, you need to use this quadratic formula. No question, huh? Good. Now, students, let me teach you guys how to do by using elimination. Ready or not? Warm up question, huh? Let's go. Guys, my prediction, based on my experience, I believe you will see this and the 3 equation question. Each one paper. 5 marks each, another 10 marks in your pocket. So just now I give you guys 5 marks, 50-50, right? So plus this chapter is 60. Yeah? Okay. So let's go. Guys, if you want to use elimination, okay, Ethan, what is eliminate to you? If I tell you, today I want to eliminate Sean, what does it mean? Yeah? So in other words, student, eliminate means that you need to execute either one of these away. So guys, look at here. Guys, you have to make sure that you can make either one of the things disappear. So the first thing, usually you make something long to disappear. Guys, compare with this and this. Don't change the P, change the longer one. How do I make Q become 4PQ? You times 4P, right? Yes. So the first equation you times 4P, you get 4P squared minus 4PQ equals to 8P. 2 times 4P, so you get 8P. Are you guys okay with that? Yeah, huh? Then student, this is my third one. And then I write back the second equation. P squared plus 4PQ equals to 8. Students, you see that or not? The 4PQ is exactly the same right now, right? So can you eliminate it now? Yes. You can just plus it. So 4P squared plus P squared, you get 5P squared. This one become kosong. This one become 8P plus 8. So you have 5P squared equals to 8P plus 8. Change to the general form. And then after that, you do like what we did over here. Find out the ABC, and then you just sub into the formula. Do you understand, everyone? Yeah, right? I have 2 monkeys and thieves in my class. Yeah. Don't be influenced. Online students, anyone okay? Cool. Okay, everyone, I believe you guys haven't done the vector questions yet. So please continue with the vector question number 8. It's not tough. Okay, so continue with it. 7 minutes. Whoever done this already, please do the question number 4. Let's go. Whoever done the question number 8, please do question number 10. Sorry. Yeah, I'm hungry. No. Faster, guys. 5 more minutes. Come on. Concentrate, please. Yeah. Yeah. Bye. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You did it. Yeah. You are the- Oh, yeah. I know. Poinnya ini parallel Pak. Itu di lambda. Poinnya bisa. Let's say for example for this one, these are coordinates. They are parallel, but the length is different. So if this is A, this is 2A, example. So I say this vector equal to lambda this vector. The lambda representing the magnitude. Got it? The length. So shit. Question number. Yep. So no. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Okay, first of all, student, for this question, you must make sure you write down everything into the diagram. So O to R is negative 3x. You need to write this into the diagram. So RQ is equal to 6y. Make sure you have the arrow as well. And PQ is equal to y minus 2x. Yeah. So now, the first question stated. So they ask you to find the OQ. Pretty simple. So OQ, so O to Q, students, is equal to OR plus RQ. You see that, right? Yeah. So that's why you can just write OQ is equal to OR plus RQ. So the answer, negative 3x plus 6y, settled. Okay, next one. I want to find RP. Yeah. So guys, R to P student, very easy lah. R to P obviously is from RQ, then QP. Yeah. So you need to write this working as student RQ plus QP. You cannot just write the X and Y. So you need to write RQ plus QP, which is equal to 6Y plus, now guys, listen carefully. QP is the other direction, right? So you need to show that this is negative PQ. Are you guys okay? Okay. Then after that, from there you convert it become equals to 6Y plus negative Y plus 2X. Yeah, so your final answer will be equals to 5Y plus 2X settled. Ethan, understand? Huh? Good. Okay, so next, have a look at the B. Okay, online student, before I move on to the B question, anything you want to ask me or not? Bervin, Lin, Malor, Zoe, Cousin, Zehong, Jingting, Chloe, Jinjin, any question? Good. Nice. Good. Okay, so great job, everyone. Okay, so students, now have a look at the B question. Huh? So now students, they say that OSQ is collinear. What does it mean by collinear, student? Collinear meaning to say they are on the same line, but then O, S, and also Q, they are parallel, but the size is different. Okay, now, so if this is A, this can be 2A, 3A, 4A, and so on. So that's why we can write OS is equal to lambda SQ. Students, do you understand this one? Lambda is actually representing the length. Okay, which is another word, the magnitude. Are you guys clear? Okay. Okay or not? Jensen Poon. Yeah? Good. Alright, student, okay? Okay, now student. What do I need to do next? You have to find out the OS and also the SQ. Okay, first of all, student. Okay. Now, stop that boy over there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so student now, RS is equal to 2SP. You need to show this. In vector, every time when you see this thing, you need to change to what form? Ratio, move this to the left. So you have RS over SP is equal to 2 over 1. Yeah? So this is RS to SP is equal to 2 to 1. So you're right. RS is equal to 2 and this is equal to 1. This is the ratio. Okay, now let's continue. So guys, I want to find OS. So OS, I should go for what plus what? You can write go for OR plus RS. So OR is negative 3x to it, and RS is equal to, okay, RS is equal to what over what? RS is equal to 2 over 3 of 2 over 3 of 2 over 3 of RP. Okay, it must be the same direction. Are you guys okay? Okay, right? So this is equals to negative 3x plus 2 over 3. Now, your RP, everyone, you already get it from the A2 question, which is equals to 5y plus 2x. Are you guys okay? So you open bracket and you fuse the x together and the y together. So you have OS is equals to 10 over 3y minus 5 over 3x. So far, do you understand? Okay, okay. So my prediction, this will be something that will be coming out in the paper 2. How many marks? You guys can see 10 marks here. Any questions so far? No, huh? Okay, good. So guys, I want to find SQ, student. Okay, so how do I find SQ, everyone? SQ is equal to SR plus RQ. Okay, so SR, student, okay, is the opposite of this thing. Right? SR is the opposite of RS. Okay, so you can write SR is equal to negative 2 over 3 of 5y plus 2x. Yeah, SR is equal to this one. Negative, huh? Then after that, you plus your RQ, 6y. Okay, so you open bracket everything, you will find that your SQ is equal to 8 over 3y minus 4 over 3x. So far, do you understand? Yeah. Lastly, everyone, again, they are collinear. So you write OS is equal to lambda SQ. So you sub inside 10 over 3y minus 5 over 3x is equal to lambda, your SQ, 8 over 3y minus 4 over 3x. Okay, right? Then lastly, multiply the lambda inside. So you have 8 over 3 lambda y minus 4 over 3 lambda x. Okay, lastly, student, can you find the lambda? You just have to compare. Guys, you see, because they are equal already, right? So the value of the y here and the value of the y here should be the same. So you write 10 over 3 equals to 8 over 3 lambda. Yeah. So from here, you move this to the left and then you divide. You found that your lambda will be equal to let's see, 5 over 9. No. 4 over 9. Yeah. Yeah, 10 over 3, you divide 8 over 3, right? Hey, wait a second. And 10 over 3, you divide 8 over 3. You get 5 over 4, sorry. Yeah, your lambda, you will get 5 over 4. Yeah. So guys, we haven't done yet, huh? So you see. Okay. As of now, any questions or not? No, huh? Okay, guys. After that, I put back the lambda inside. I got OS is equals to 5 over 4 SQ. Okay. So now, student, you need to find the value of K and also H. So OS to SQ is equals to K to H, right? How do I convert this fraction become ratio? Yeah, move the SQ to the left. So OS over SQ is equals to 5 over 4. Then you can convert become ratio. Settle. And guys, OS SQ, this is your K and this is your H. So you write K equals to 5 and H equals to 4. Settle. Any questions or not, everyone? Is it okay or not? So, okay, good. Guys, I would say this is actually the compare question that is tough. So if you know what I say here, the collinear and the lambda question should be no problem for you. Any question? Ming Ming, okay or not? Yeah. Okay, so student, one more question, then we take a break. Guys, have you copied down? Everything done already? Yeah? Okay, I'm going to clear drawings. Okay, last one, student, have a look at the C. Okay, guys, you need to find the unit vector in the direction of OQ. So first of all, OQ, we already found that is equal to negative 3x plus 6y. Guys, what is the formula for unit vector? Xi plus yj over the magnitude, which is the x squared plus y squared. Okay, now. Yeah. So students, now they give you x is equal to 3i plus 2j. Put it aside. Okay. Then your y is equal to this one. Put it aside. Okay. So you will have this is equal to -3 bracket 3 2 you plus 6 bracket 1 2. You know what am I drawing? You know, huh? Okay. Then after that, this will be equal to -9 -6 plus 6 12. So this is equal to -3 and 6. Okay, which is also equal to -3i plus 6j. Any question? No, huh? So once you've done it already, students, very simple. You have to use this formula. So you put this thing into the fraction. So it's 3i plus 6j over 3 squared plus 6 squared, and then you square it. Yep. And that's the final answer, everyone. So you will get, let's see. Okay, square root of 9 plus 36. So you will get 3i plus 6j over 3 root 5. Settle. No, huh? Why? Because guys, you see 3, you see 6, you see 3. You have to simplify them, and you get your final answer equals to I plus 2j over root 5. Settle. Any question? Oh, cannot. Which calculator are you using, brother? Okay. Guys, again, whoever using this calculator, you will not able to get 3 root 5 directly. So you have to do it manually. Yes. But if you are using this one, you can get 3 root 5 directly. So that is how, so that's the reason why I keep on telling you to change this, right? Okay. Yeah. You got to do it when? Give me a time. Okay, student, I'm going to clear the drawings and then we take a break and then we move on to the next questions later. Yeah, take a break, student. And then, oh, the question did not say rationalize, so you can answer, no problem. For this question, you can answer, but no problem. Tony. Okay, online students, camera, say hi, please. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone, if you're playing game, please stop. Okay, I need to start the class already. Ready? Guys, ready? Guys, ready? Guys, ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, now let's see. Yeah. Okay, first of all, ladies and gentlemen, for these questions, let's move on to the chapter 9 questions together. Okay, because as I mentioned to all of you students, one of the chapter line of passage and also the chapter 9 and 10, they are very, very important. Yeah. So, are you guys ready? Yeah. Okay, cool. So now students, they tell you that length, the arc, the chord PQ is equal to 8.14, which is over here. Okay, this is equal to 8.14. Okay, and then after that, they ask you to find the length of QR, the chord QR. Okay. Oh, wait a second, wait a second. Chord is not here. Yeah, chord is this part. Okay, this is equal to 8.14. Okay, and then after that, they ask you to find this part. Yeah, they ask you to find this part. Okay, so number one, everyone. Now, what is the angle that you guys can give it to me over here? Okay, this part is 25. Yes, correct. So, now, where else can you give me the length, everyone? Guys, this is 25. And then here is equal to 25 times 2. Do you remember when you were from 3 that time, you learned this concept for the purple? Okay, so if this is A, this is double of it. Do you remember this? Yeah, so that's equal to 50 degree. Okay, are you guys okay with this so far? Okay, right? Okay, second thing, ladies and gentlemen. Now, do you have the length of the, okay, simple. Guys, they tell you the radius is equal to 7. Yeah? So we need to say, student, the length here is 7 cm and the length here is 7 cm. Are you guys okay? So guys, now, in chapter 9, we only got a few formulas. Okay? The first one is the sine rule, which is A over sine A equals to B over sine B, right? So remember this one, you need to use the cross. And you must have how many info? 3. Very good. Yeah. So the second one is cosine rule. Cosine rule is A square equals to B square minus C square minus 2BC cos A. And this, you will have something like that. All right? Okay, now. Okay, now student, can you please tell me, in order to find the RQ, I should use which rule? Very good. 50 degree opposite and beside, you got the length. Correct. So you need to use cos rule, student. Yeah? So the A is representing the length pointed by the angle. So this is A square equals to B square minus C square minus 2BC cos 50 degree. So you press the calculator and then you square root your answer. You will find A, which is the QR, is equal to 5.917 cm. Settle. Huh? B square plus C square. I wrote minus. My bad. B square plus C square minus 2BC. Thank you so much. Pardon? It depends on you. You want to use sine rule also can. You want to use cos rule also can. Yeah? Okay. Now, any questions to this? No, right? Okay, fantastic. Now, let's move on to the next one. So, hence, find the area of the triangle OQR. Okay. Guys, in order to find the area of OQR, did they specify any? Okay, you see, underline the word Heron's formula. Guys, if you are using the Heron's formula, what is the formula you need to use? Okay, first of all, student, Heron's formula is not given in the exam. Again, Heron's formula is not given in the exam. You need to remember it yourself. First of all, you need to find the S first. S is A plus B plus C divided by 2. After that, you need to go for square root. Area is equal to square root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, so okay, but guys, now you see how scary is this question is if you do the A1 wrong, everything wrong. So you must make sure you know how to do these questions. Okay, right? Because when you do this area, you involve the RQ length, which is equal to 5.917. Okay, so that's why, first of all, you need to find your S first. So your S is equal to 7 plus 5.917 divided by 2, which is equal to 9.959. Okay, then you can find the area right now. So your area is equal to square root 9.959 bracket 9.959 minus 7, 9.959, yeah. 9.959 minus 7 and 9.959 minus 5.917. Okay, you square it, you get the answer for your area. Yeah, so your area answer 18.77. Don't forget to write cm square. Settle. I loved it, I want some more. Okay, so any question? Sure. Online student, everyone okay? Especially for those who are singing, are you okay now? Chin, Chloe, Bervin? Okay. Good. Okay, so guys, let's move on to the next one, B. Let me continue these. Let me finish up these questions for everyone. Okay, because guys, this is very important. 10 markah. Yeah. Okay, let me move on to the B first. So guys, the area of the triangle PQR is equal to 20.98. So they ask you to calculate the angle of PQR. Okay, now, guys, PQR is this one. The big one over here, right? So this is your PQR. Okay, and they ask you to find out the angle over here. Very simple. If you take it out, right, student? Okay, if you draw this out, this is a triangle like this. Then this is 8.14. Then this is 5.917. You need to find this angle. And they give you the area already, which is equals to 20.98. So what formula you need to use to this? You need to use 1/2 AB sine C equals to your area. Okay, right? So guys, now you see, if you analyze and you know what is the formula you need to use, it's very, very simple. So 20.98 you put into the area, 1/2. What is the A and B representing? The length beside the angle that you use, which is 8.14 and also 5.917. Okay, student, can you find out the C for me? So you move all of them to the left and then you divide everything, right? So 20.98 divide 1/2, divide 8.14, divide 5.917. What do you get? Pardon? Oh, you shift sign already, is it? Okay, so you shift sign already, you will find that your C is equal to 60. 60.60. Okay. Any question? Ladies and gentlemen, this answer is wrong. Can you please tell me why? First of all, student, you answer me this question. This angle over here, more than 90 or less than 90? More than 90, but you got 60.60. Possible? No. Guys, I told you before, when you press calculator, your calculator cannot get the answer more than 91. So you have to find out by yourself. So you have to use 180 minus 60.60 degree in order to get the value of C. Your answer, 119.40. Finish? Understand? Yeah. So this is, okay guys, can you please tell me what angle is this? What is the name of it? Obtuse angle. If the question asks you to find obtuse angle, you need to use 180 minus as well. Understand or not, students? Yeah. Okay. And after that, student, this orthogonal case. So I hope that you guys know PRQ. Okay, so you need to extend it. Your graph you draw will be something like this. Yeah, this is your P prime, this is your Q prime, and this is your R prime. The prime means that it's the second triangle that you draw. Yes, that's why we need to put the P, Q, and R prime. Okay, so how do you draw these, ladies and gentlemen? It's actually from here. Okay, your original triangle is this one. Right? So they say, okay, your PR must be equal length. Your RQ must be equal length. So the only thing that you can change, ladies and gentlemen, and then the angle over here cannot change. So the only thing that you can change is your Q. And you can extend it, bring it over here, and then you join them together so that these two are the same length. Do you understand? You have to use the compass and draw it, remember? Yeah, huh? So you draw something like this, and then you'll find that these two are the same. And bear in mind, student, what triangle is this? Isosceles. So please remember, you already found this one is equals to 119.40. So we know here is equals to 60.60, and this part also equals to 60.60. Something you need to remember because it's isosceles. Do you understand? Okay, right? And guys, 10 marks is in your pocket, right? This is a tricky question because it involves the circle. Okay, so another tricky question is the 3D question. So again, students, you have more than enough the time for you to do some revision. So if you haven't gotten the part 2 book yet, please go and get your part 2 book, everyone. Okay, and please don't put it as a decoration saja. Already been proven. If you do the book, you will be able to score for the certain chapters if you complete every single questions in that. So please go back at least for the part 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 5 chapters, students, will able to help you for your coming exam. It will have at least a 70 marks for both paper 1 plus paper 2. Again, it's at least, I can say minimum. Okay? Any question? No, okay. What is the part 2 books? Go and get it from the admin. Okay. Yeah, go and ask the admin you want to purchase the part 2 book. Okay. So if you ask today, next week, you will be able to get it. If you ask next week, you will only able to get the next week. Okay, so cool. So guys, write down the present of the day. Online students, I think you know what you can do already right now. Take picture and send your work to me. Yeah. Okay, present. Okay, so guys, for the present for this class, okay, I need you guys to do for the paper 2. I need you guys to do question number 4, 5, 7, 10, and 12. Huh? Your paper 1. Question 13 and 14. Okay. Again, now this is for the yeek paper, student. Complete this one. Okay, and guys, I'll see you guys this Monday. Yeah? Right. Replacement, bro. You bad one. Oh, I'll make your memory stay forever. You stay back. Okay, so online student, if you have completed, if you have sent your work to me, will be that's all for today. Thank you so much. Oh, any online students, will you guys see each other? I don't think so, right? Because it's Deepavali already, no school. Okay, so whoever come, I'll pass this to you. Yeah, bye-bye, guys. Parallel to x-axis 的话，代表讲说它也是一个横线，所以它是横线的话，代表你的 y 等于0。It only move to the left or right. It doesn't move up or down. So your y will be equal to 0. So 2 plus k 等于 0. E is ln. So the opposite of ln is E. The opposite of E is ln. You understand me? So see that they want ln only, right? So you multiply ln for both. So it will be ln y equals to ln 2qx minus 4q. So ln and E is opposite. That's why you can cut this right and you get 2qx. Yep, because ln 也就等于 log log. So you have log E 2qx. You just come up becomes 2qx. You got me? Welcome.